Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial we will show you how to get rid of a bad paint job and give your model a fresh start without damaging the model itself. VMS Clean Slate comes in two variants. Standard 2.0 suited for acrylics, and Ultra 3.0 suited for both acrylics and enamel paints. Choose your type based on the paints that you use. Both removers are safe to use on polystyrene, polycarbonate, and resin models. If you are not sure what kind of material your model is made of, best make a quick trial on a spare part. First off, put your model in a tray, dish, or similar receptacle. It will be collecting the fluid. Pour the remover over the model and allow the chemical reaction to happen. Observe the paint cracking and shriveling. It takes several minutes for coats that are a few months old. Older coats may need a bit longer. Clean Slate is the only remover without contact time limit. You may leave a part submerged in the fluid for a few days and no damage will occur. This includes clear plastic parts. The remover got under the paint coat. We can commence paint stripping. Soft red sable or nylon brush is advised. Any acrylic paint should give up easily, as seen in this video. If it doesn't, just give it a bit more time. Or switch to Clean Slate Ultra. Thanks to the remover's high potency, only minimal amount of physical force needs to be applied. See how easily the paint is removed. This ensures there are no scratches on the delicate surface of the model. You can use a soft toothbrush. Again, minimal amount of physical force is to be applied. The model has been rinsed with tap water to get rid of initial paint flakes. We apply more remover. Now we can remove the paint stuck in the more difficult areas, like panel lines and crevices. Some parts like the metal handle here can separate. Don't worry, it's all part of the process. Patience wins the day. If you are diligent enough, you will be able to remove all of the paint, or at least 99% of it. We are almost done here. 90% of paint has been removed from the hole. Simpler objects such as wargaming figures can be stripped much faster. We are following the same procedure for the gun: soak, scrape, and rinse. Repeat these 3 steps until you are satisfied with the outcome. Sometimes you will need to dismantle the model for you to be able to get to the paint. Don't get crazy about it. The new paint layer will cover up any paint you leave out in difficult areas. All done. You may strip all kind of acrylic and enamel paints, correct bad paint jobs, and breathe new life into old models too. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.